I should find out my mistakes and I should clear all those. For the next time, I should give and better. But I want job. So if I want job, I should do some hard work. I should cover all the mistakes which I have did before.
There are many students who will give 2, 3 interviews, and if they are not able to crack it, they'll feel like, no, no, not possible. It is very difficult for them. And you're saying that you did so many interviews. So what will you tell people who are like, they give 2, 3 and like, no, I can't do it. It's very difficult. What will your suggestion be to them?
My policy is like, if you want giving after 2, 3 interviews, even I also felt the same. But I want job. So if I want job, I should do some hard work. I should cover all the mistakes which I have did before. I should find out my mistakes and I should clear all those. For the next time, I should give and better. If I get my first job itself, my first job role is like support role. Then it's like I was learned from that also. But now I have placed in an security. After 5 companies also, like even I felt the same thing. But I want a job, so I should do it. I don't have any other option. If you want something, I have to do something. So I did in hard work. My friends from EdYoda mentors, everyone helped me, and I am in this position right now.
Next, we'll move on to a little bit about the program journey at EdYoda. First, we'll start with how did you come to know about EdYoda?
In Insta troll.
And like, what was your reaction when you saw that Instagram ad like about EdYoda?
I've seen it. I have enrolled it first of all. Then I got a call from Vikas Shetty. He used to work in EdYoda. He, the first person who helped from EdYoda is he itself. He called me and he have taught regarding EdYoda each and everything. Nothing to worry, Sindhu. Compulsory you will place, but you have to give me assurance that you will give your 100% of hard work. Then I said okay. Then he asked like, in which stream you are interested, either in Java or else data science. Then I told data science. Then he has enrolled me for data science.
Okay, great. So when you came to know about EdYoda, you enrolled into the program. And then how was your schedule like? How you used to study and attend the classes?
My timings are from night 8 to 10, my classes. So for me there is no college also, so I have got lot of time for studying as well as for programming. The thing is in 2 hours anyone cannot teach the everything. Some should be learned by us itself. That is for sure. Not only in this platform, even our teachers also won't tell 100%. We have to learn 100%. So I did that one. In my free time, in night I used to complete my classes. In the morning I used to complete my all the assignments. And in the afternoon time, I used to at least practice for 3 hours daily programming.
So you said that you used to do the assignments. So was there any time that you felt like it's becoming very tough? You are not able to understand how to do it?
No, I didn't feel tough. Projects I felt little bit tough. When I got, not only me, a whole our team felt that it was a tough. At that time, like our mentor helped us a lot. He has stopped the class teaching us, and he used to taught regarding those assignments only. So it is easy at that time.
And if suppose someone asks you, Sindhu, I don't know programming anything, like I haven't studied programming before, can I join like EdYoda and learn? Because I think like programming is difficult. So what will you tell to them?
Even I don't know programming, but I have cracked it. To be frank, it is easy if we understand some logics. It is very easy. Programming is very easy. Like we can build if we had an logics. If you are thorough in logics, and if we always do practice, Even we can build our own application. No need to ask someone. And I'm from electronics and communication. To be frank, we don't have programming also. But I have done it. I have cleared all my assignments and all my written tests. And I have cracked the job. Everything is easy when there is a knowledge in brain. So to get a job, for me, the option is only to do an hard work. Even sometimes smart work may fail, but hard work never fails. I did, and last finally I have got. Actually, there we had a lot of opportunities in EdYoda. All we need is like hard work. That's it.